Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a lesson on Nicole Klotz. Nicole Klotz counting eighth notes and doing 20 questions. Sitting down, hopefully. It's much easier to play if you're sitting down.
1
And 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and repeat. And 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and
1.
yes. I think that counting eighth notes is challenging, but you're really learning how to do it. And we're going to do 20 questions, and some of the 20 questions will be centered around eighth notes. 1, what's that?
Treble clef.
2, what's that?
Bass clef.
3, what's that?
Time signature. The top means that 3 beats in a measure, and the bottom means every quarter note gets 1 count.
You're right. 4, what's this?
Quarter rest and it gets 1 count.
Okay, we'll call that 4 and 5. 6, what's that?
Repeat sign.
7, what's this?
Half rest.
I don't think so.
Wait, whole rest.
Whole rest, okay. And in 3/4 time, how many counts does a whole rest get?
3,
Uh-huh. And 4/4 time, how many counts does a whole rest get?
4.
And 1,004 time, how many counts?
4. Which that doesn't exist.
No, it doesn't. But the point is, you always look at the top number to determine that. All right, 11. What's that?
Forte, and it means loud.
12. What's this?
Piano, and it means to play soft.
13. What's that? I haven't asked you that one in a long time.
Violin.
All right, 14. What's that?
Measure.
15. 15. What does that mean?
To play softly.
16. What's that?
Double violin, use the end of the piece.
17. What's that note?
G, low G.
Okay. 18. What's this?
A slur.
And what does a slur mean?
A slur means to play legato.
You're right. And 20. What kind of rest is that?
A half rest.
And how many counts does it get?
It gets 2, and which never exists in 1/4 time, it get 1 count.
Is there such a thing as 1/4 time? No. Yeah, well, you're right. There isn't such a thing as 1/4 time. Now I'm going to ask you a couple questions about eighth notes. What kind of note is that?
That is eighth note.
How many
Yes.
counts does it get?
Half a count.
All right. And if you were to, what kinds of notes are these?
It's a pair of eighth note, and it gets 1 count.
Now, what if you had a quarter note mixed in with a whole bunch of eighth notes? How many counts does a quarter note get?
1 count.
1 count. And how many ways do you divide it up when you have eighth notes along with it? How many parts are there to a quarter note? When you have a piece,
1.
um,
There's 1 part to a quarter note.
well, there's 1 count, but when you have a piece that has quarter notes and eighth notes, there's 2 parts to the quarter note. Isn't that interesting? What are those parts? If the quarter note is on the first beat, the first
It's
part
1,
is
and then it's and.
yeah. You're right. Okay. What if you had a half note?
A half
It would
note.
get 2 counts.
It get 2 and
How many parts?
3. Wait, 2.
Four. This is new to you, so there'll be lots of questions about that. So 4 parts: 1 and 2 and. That's our lesson on eighth notes. Okay, play that first line again and count it, and then we'll stop.